Those 3D sensory blankets blowing up in ads look adorable, but before you spend money on Blanket Boom, let's find out, is this a real product and a legit store or a risky fake? So Blanket Boom markets a 3D sensory blanket with cute textures and soft fabrics designed for comfort and tactile fun. Their Shopify-powered site shows a discounted price and product photos that look professional, but these don't prove it's trustworthy. Here's what appeals at first glance. The website uses HTTPS encryption, which protects the basic data you enter. There's a clear product page with pricing and a shopping cart, just like normal online stores. Those are basic for e-commerce, but they don't confirm whether the store actually delivers what it promises. Now here's where the warning signs add up. Blanketboom.com has a very low trust score and is flagged as high risk or suspicious by multiple online security checkers. These tools found the domain is brand new and linked to characteristics common with scam sites like hidden ownership and limited traffic. There are no independent customer reviews or verified experiences available on big review platforms. That's not typical for real blanket sellers. Forums mention AI-style copy and little legit info about the brand or manufacturing, which often appears in low-effort clone-to-shop fronts. So is Blanket Broom a real sensory blanket store? It's high risk and not proven legitimate. The brand new domain, low trust scores, lack of verified reviews, and other red flags suggest you should avoid buying from this site until there's clear verified customer feedback and established credibility. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.